All right, guys, we got this 2015 Kia Sportage, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace the low beam bulb. That's the outer one that has the glass globe. And all we need to do is remove this cover by turning it counterclockwise. Once we remove the cover, that gives us access to the bulb. You'll notice these have a H11B light bulb, and they're a little unusual. That tab in the center, all you need to do is just turn that counterclockwise, and then it will remove. And it's got little electrical contacts on the side there, so no need to unplug or plug it in. As soon as you install this by lining up these three tabs correctly and then turning the light bulb to lock it into place, those electrical contacts will then connect to the connector that's integrated into the headlight. So very simple. You just take your new bulb, make sure that the bulb is situated in the headlight properly, and then just give it a turn until that tab that you grab a hold of is in the vertical position. And just put some eyes on that, make sure that the electrical contacts are in there correctly, and then we can go ahead and throw this cap on. Sometimes these rubbers will get dried out. You can put a little bit of dielectric grease on there or silicone spray, and then you just make sure that that's seated correctly and all the tabs are lining up. You just turn it clockwise, locked in place. Last thing to do is just turn your lights on and make sure that they do work, and that's pretty much it.